ओम अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्ण परब्रह्मणे नमः। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर 6th श्लोका. First let us learn the meaning, and then while meditating upon the meaning and also thinking that we are sitting right in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma and Sri Krishna Paramatma giving these teachings to us directly, we can chant the sloka. Duryodhana is saying to Dronacharya, saying that, "Oh Acharya, I am going to explain you some more details about our Shatru Sainyam. There is Yudhamanya. He is such a great warrior. Uttamauja. He is very strong man. Abhimanya. He is also there. We cannot even imagine how strong and how great warrior Abhimanya is. He is such a great warrior. And also sons of Draupadi are there. Oh Acharya, I am telling you now, each and every warrior in this Shatru Sainyam will be able to fight with minimum of 10,000 people at a time." Like that, Duryodhana is saying to Dronacharya. Let us now repeat the sloka. Yudhamanyuscha vikrantaha Uttamaujaascha Viryavan Saubhadro Draupadeyascha Sarvayeva Maharadhaha. Moral from this sloka that we can practice is, do not behave improperly. If you do that, you will be lost. Now let us understand what Sri Krishna Paramatma says as an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita. Krishna says, "Surrender to me alone. Do not cry. I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Keep passing down my Bhagavad Gita to next generations. If you do like that, you will become the most beloved devotee to me. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not behave improperly. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep passing down Bhagavad Gita to next generations. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava." Srimad Bhagavatam. Let us do namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. "Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha." Let us do namaskaram to Sukha Maharshi. "Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. Let us do namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naran chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi is addressing Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Paramatma, Virat Purusha, Srimannarayana is always visualized, realized, picturized by great Purushas, great scholars, great devotees, by their Jnananetram, wisdom eye. O Maharshis, such Paramatma, such Srimannarayana, he first brought a form called as Chaturmukha Brahma, and Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanatana, Sanat Kumara. He himself brought those forms from within himself, and through that Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanatana, Sanat Kumara, he Chachara Brahmacharyam Akhanditam. He established Bhagavadupasana, the procedure to attain Paramatma. He established that through Sanakas, O Maharshis. And then Srimannarayana came down in a second form as Varahaswami, divine boar. When sometime back this planet Earth was taken all the way to Patalam, Paramatma came down as Varahaswami and brought this planet Earth up. This is Sakshat Avataram of Srimannarayana. Varahaswami is direct incarnation of Srimannarayana. O Maharshis, the third Rupam of Paramatma is Rishi Rupam Devarshitu. Paramatma came down as Narada Maharshi. He came down as Narada and established a procedure called Tantram Sattvatam Achashta. He disclosed a great concept, a school, a science, a great school of science, that is Pancharatra Shastram. Today we see so many temples. The temples, how to build and how to make the forms, vigrahas, how to invite Paramatma into those vigrahas, and what are the utsavas supposed to be done to those vigrahas, and how to perform aradhana to those vigrahas, and what are the mantras supposed to be used in those services. And all this entire procedure is given by Srimannarayana himself through Narada Maharshi to the entire humanity, for humanity to use this procedure, to use this easy procedure to get rid of all kind of clutches of this birth and death, all kind of clutches of karma. This is only the most accessible, easy way, easy procedure for each and every common human being, and also for each and every common entity, so that they can get rid of this birth and death by performing aradhana in the temples to the vigrahas through this Pancharatra Shastram. This is what is done Sakshat by Paramatma through Narada Maharshi. Like this, Suta Maharshi explaining to Saunaka and other rishis. We will learn the next part tomorrow. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. Sixth sloka of first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Yudhamanyuscha Vikrantah Uttamaujascha Viryavan Saubhadro द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वा एव महारथाः.